Hello and welcome to this tutorial video on how to connect to Booking.com. To do so, log into your Booking.com extranet. Then, click on Profile and select Connectivity Provider. You may have to select a verification method to continue. Otherwise, you can proceed. On the Connectivity Provider page, click on Search and enter Quick Connect. Then, mark Extranet Access and click on Connect. At this point, you need to wait to connect to Quick Connect. You need to share your Booking.com listing ID and name with Zeevou support to confirm the connection. So, copy your property ID from Booking.com. Then, go to Zeevou Listings page and click on Manage Channels. Click on Show All Sales Channels to select Booking.com. Mark Attestation and click on Save and Next. Click on Synchronize your first property. Then, click on Yes. Paste the hotel ID in the box. Check the currency. And click on Next. To connect a Booking.com room to the related Zeevou rate plan, click on Connect this room. Then click on Select Properties and pick it from the drop-down menu. Check the calendar to make sure the rate plan ID is correct. When you hover on each of them, their ID appears. And click on Next. Navigate to Booking.com. Under the Rates and Availability tab, select Rate Plans to check if it is connected. Go to Zeevou again and click on Manage One Rate. Then, click on Activate. Refresh the Connectivity Provider page in Booking.com to see if the connection is confirmed or not. Navigate to Zeevou again and click on Advanced to manage connection settings. You can change the number of guests and finally save changes. Go to Booking.com again. Under the Rates and Availability tab, check the rates with the ones on the Zeevou. Navigate to Booking.com again. Under the Calendar tab, you can click to edit pricing per guest. To do so, turn the toggle on and enter the price. Finally, click on Save. Then you can view the changes. Subscribe our channel to watch more tutorials and start growing your business.